Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia C21 Plus device, and now I can show you how to record calls on this phone. To begin with, we need to clarify a few nuances. First, you need to understand that in order to record calls, you need to have access to the root of the file system. By default, only the default applications and in our case the phone app have access to the hidden directory, but the laws of some countries prohibits recording calls in these countries. Therefore, in some regions, including my region, recording calls with the standard application is not available, and the change of region will not help to bypass this restriction. In order to record a call using the standard application, you need to open the phone app, then click on three dots button, then click settings, and if you have available this feature in your country, you will see it here under the block numbers feature. Great. So, but if you have no this feature as me, you can use third-party apps. And I suggest to use Cube ACR application. So just find it, Cube ACR. Click install. Click open. And great. Here you can click next. Click grant permissions while using the app. Hello. So we need to set up this app, okay? So click enable app connector. Find here Cube ACR. Click use Cube ACR app connector. Click allow. Go back. Click open again. Okay, go it. Click allow. And here you don't have to provide location access. So just click no thanks, click OK, go it, and great. Of course, you can buy this application. If you will buy it, you will have cloud backup, app lock with bean, instant post-call sections, no ads and more. So we don't need these features, okay, to record calls. We just need to record calls and that's it. So you can click on the cross on the left top corner to start using the application. And great. Now, when you will call to someone, recordings will be automatically recorded. Your calls will be automatically recorded in this application, and if you want to check your call record after the call, just open Cube ACR and you will have it here. But you need to understand that this application will only record the sound from your microphone if you don't have root access. So therefore, if you want your voice and the voice of your conversation partner to be recorded, you must either install root access on your device, or you can record your conversations using an external speaker. Then, in this way, the microphone will pick up both your voice and the voice of your interlocutor, your conversation partner. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you. Bye.